चलो बाइट कर लो। सेंटर में आइए। का पोस्टर है वो देखा नहीं
थैंक यू मैम।
सर लुक हियर सर। यकीन नहीं माने आधी गेट कलर से रहते थे पीछे वाले तो उसको पीछे मैम लुक हियर मैम
यार पर बात
मैं इस फिल्म का हिस्सा नहीं हूँ, लेकिन हम प्रोड्यूसर जी के साथ एक फिल्म कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी और उनकी इसलिए उनको वो सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हुए हैं। मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर हैं, बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्टर हैं एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग द फिल्म। वो मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकता यू नो आई थिंक वो एक प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर का कॉल होता है उसका टाइटल वगैरह इन दे शुड नो बेस्ट की व्हाट शुड बी द टाइटल ऑफ द फिल्म। आई डोंट थिंक सो, वो सब मेरे ख्याल से हो सकता है मैं कुछ ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ लेकिन बकवास है यू नो ये सब चीज़ें हैं कि सेंट और ये नेगेटिव है, ये सब ज़बरदस्ती जो लोगों को ठेस लगती है वो ज़बरदस्ती ठेस लगने वाली बात होती है और हमारे देश में हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़बरदस्ती ठेस खा जाते हैं हर चीज़ का, चाहे लोगों ने फिल्म देखी हो या ना देखी हो, लोगों को लगता है टाइटल में ये नाम है तो कुछ ना कुछ बुरा इनके बारे में लिखा हुआ है तो वो बुरा मान जाओ. सो आई थिंक पीपल शुड ग्रो अप एंड stop looking at targeting films for each and every little small thing.
And what about going in your professional life? Professional life में क्या चला आपका? फिल्म आई थी आपकी last year as a producer, एक फिल्म आई थी आपकी.
हाँ बिल्कुल. Last year I also did Jalpari with the director Neel Madhav Panda, and I've got 3 films releasing right now. One of them is a big horror film which I can't talk about right now, and I have 2 rom-coms also releasing.
Sir, one humble request. Can you just tell one line? All the it's a Jadoo TV, it's an entertainment channel. Okay, to the viewers of Jadoo TV on the eve of Eid, only one line. And your name.
Jadoo TV.
Yeah, Jadoo TV. It's not Jadoo TV. That is a launching channel.
Best.
Vishesh Jadoo TV. Hi, I'm Praveen.
आइए सर.
He's the brain man.
What, sir?
Producer of the movie.
अरे क्या
He's my uncle.
very smart. All my marks.
No, Rakesh Bhatia ji is a very close friend of mine and Parveen's. We did a film with him called With Love Tumhara, and we are here to support him, to support Mr. Amol Shedge, and because they're both very talented people, and I'm sure they made a brilliant film.
What do you miss your acting skills of Mahesh Manjrekar?
I think Mahesh Manjrekar is a great director as well as a fabulous actor. There is no doubting his acting capabilities, and I'm sure he'll be a treat to watch in this film.
But you know the title of the movie, The Saint Who Thought Otherwise, that will, malign the image of the saints in the society, like that. Because it should be negative image.
I think whether we should keep our reserve our opinions till we watch the film, and then everybody's entitled to their opinion. I don't think you should take entertainment or films that seriously and make them out to be whether they're maligning saints or not. I think it's a title for a film, and we have to see the film and then decide.
What's going on in professional life?
My film Kaash Tum Hote is ready for release. I've just had a Bengali film release called Mistake, and my Punjabi film Bikkar by Sentimental also just released on 19th April. So yeah, things have been busy.
One humble request. So you're part of the film, or you just come to support?
No, I've just come not really to support the film, but I'm a hardcore film buff. मुझे अच्छी film, I can smell a good film. And Amol, I've known for a very long time. महेश मांजरेकर को मैं दादा बुलाता हूँ. I mean, I love Mahesh Dada. I mean, not just his Hindi films, but I also watch a lot of regional and world cinema. So I have seen most of his Marathi cinema, and I don't call it Marathi film. I call it cinema because they're so rich in content. And I'm a huge fan of Mahesh Manjrekar when it comes to him as a maker. I've seen Kakasparsh of late. I couldn't see the one that released after that. Kutumb, I think I couldn't see. But I have seen Shikshanacha, I have seen Me Shivaji, and I think they are such brilliant films and content. So I've come not hoping but believing that there's some more good cinema coming up as The Saint 2.
So what do you find special about Mahesh Manjrekar's style of acting?
I don't think I'm really qualified to comment about Mahesh Dada, considering his volume of work, considering his wisdom in cinema, considering the number of films that he's acted and he's made. But I like watching him. From the time we started seeing Mahesh Dada in Kaante, and immediate another example is where he played Shivaji in his own production with Sachin. I think, like I said, I can't pinpoint, but there are some actors you just love to watch. They are just a treat. So I really like watching him more than often.
You said, but the title of the film is Saint Who Thought Otherwise, and
Ji.
the character of the film is shown in negative perspective. But don't you think that Delbit maligns the image of the saint people?
I can't comment because I haven't seen the film, because I was out shooting out in the south for a Tamil film in which Mahesh Dada is also there. So I think I can only comment on that after I see the film. But like I said, I'm expecting, assuming and hoping some good cinema.
Sir, one humble request. There's an upcoming entertainment channel, Jadoo TV. You just need to say hi, I'm Murali Sharma, and and all the best to the viewers of Jadoo TV on the eve of Eid.
चाहेंगे मूवी के बारे में, किस तरह की मूवी, आपका किरदार कैसा है?
नहीं, आई एम नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म बट आई एम एसोसिएटेड विद दिस कंपनी एंड राकेश जी, क्योंकि मैंने पहले उनके साथ एक फिल्म करी है. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग दिस फिल्म बिकॉज इट लुक्स रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. It's got great actors and as the title suggests, it's going to be something very exciting.
महेश मांजरेकर की फिल्म की बात करें तो एक यूनिक टाइटल भी उनका यूनिक रहता है, साथ ही उनकी
उनका काम भी करेक्ट.
क्या कहना चाहिए?
एक्चुअली मैंने उनके साथ काम भी किया है एज अ डायरेक्टर एंड एज एन एक्टर एंड ही एक्सेल्स. वो खुद ही यूनिक है अपने स्टाइल में. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग इट. और प्रोमो से तो जैसे पता चलता है, यू जस्ट वंडरिंग व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. सो यू आर लिटरली ऑन द एज. सो आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी कैची फिल्म. सो आई डोंट वांट टू मिस इट.
सबसे खासियत क्या रहा है?
That the fact that you don't know what's happening, बिल्कुल पता नहीं चल रहा what's happening, but you know there's a big mystery involved. हर एक कैरेक्टर के साथ महेश जी I mean every time he comes in you think is he with her, फिर कुछ और होता है. Then you think is he with her, because I don't know anything about the movie, but so it's very exciting to know really what is he up to. So you know it's a thriller.
सर इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट पे फिल्म बनाना क्यों चाहे आपने? क्या
Okay.
reason था?
Actually, first of all, I will tell you some gist of this story. This story is of a genius person who is unsuccessful, not successful. So just to prove his talent and the intelligent part, he creates lot of things and do lot of mishappenings around and commit few crime. Okay. So एक जीनियस की स्टोरी है ये, जो एक जीनियस कहीं ना कहीं अपने को प्रूव करते हुए कहीं पे लॉ को अपने हाथ में लेता है, लेकिन स्टिल ही फील्स कि उसकी फिलॉसफी इज करेक्ट. जो कि एक संगीता कदम जो इसकी हीरोइन है सयाली भगत, वो एसीपी बनी हुई है इसमें, जो कि इसमें मतलब उसको करेक्ट करती हैं उसकी फिलॉसफी को एट द एंड ऑफ. So this is the story about.
And you have to watch it.
Yeah, you
Can't
have to
reveal the end.
और बाई फिल्म में बहुत सीन्स काफी दिए गए, तो कुछ सीन एडिट हुए थे.
इसके लिए मैं ये कहूँगा कि ए सर्टिफिकेट है इस मूवी का, और सेंसर ने कोई भी कट नहीं किया है. सिंपल. दिस इज ए.
मैं था